guys. Yesterday, no, it was 2 days ago. 2 days ago, I made a bird nest, and after 1 day, it dried. So today, I went outside and put grass in it, and I'm going to go show you guys what I did to it. So, hold on. Okay guys, it's a bit dark, it's not that dark. See if you look around. It's not that dark. But while I'm guys showing you the bird nest, I'm going to tell you guys about why we started our channel. Okay? So, the reason why we started our channel was because, we were going to tell you about disabled people like my mom, and you guys don't have to like and subscribe, it's fine. And we wanted to let you guys know that we want to visit our aunt, and I need you guys to spread this news around what I just told you, because it's really serious, and I love you guys all, so please spread this news around that I just shared with you. I love you. God loves you too. You guys? Okay, well, there's still bees. Hold on. No, I got stung by one before and I'm scared. So, I need to go around. Oh my gosh. Looking around. Okay. Hold on, that's the tree I put it in. You guys might not be able to see it. See, if you guys see it now, if you guys saw it, then comment, and yeah. So guys, I'm gonna make a video tomorrow, and I'm gonna see what time it is. Maybe tomorrow before school, because right now I think it's past my bedtime, even though. Yeah, it's past my bedtime, but I'm gonna guys kind of update you how the bird nest is doing that I made out of air dry clay. No boots. My cat wants out. First, say hi. He's looking. So yeah, it might be a bit dark. I'm sorry. Who's want a treat? Do you want a treat? Okay, well guys, I'm going to go. So, yeah.